Okay, so we've seen how to find out where we are, but we haven't learned how to move or change that. So in this video, we're going to learn that command, cd, which stands for change directory. It's how we navigate through our files and folders. So you have a couple options when working with cd. We can use an absolute path. So in this case, let's say that I am inside of the stuff directory. So if I typed pwd, I would see /users /cult/stuff. And if I wanted to move to the users directory from stuff, I could use the absolute path to find users. So that is /users. And I write cd space and then the path /users. And if I hit enter and then I use pwd, it will now show me I'm in /users. So this is again known as navigating absolutely. So this is useful, but I'm also going to show you another way of navigating in just a moment. But before we do that, let's take a look. So here, let me go to my other window. If I type pwd again, you can see I'm in a folder called top secret. Let's say I wanted to navigate to my home directory, which is called Steel. Well, I can do cd space and then the absolute path /users /cult steel. And now if I type pwd, you can also see my prompt has changed here. I'm in my home directory. So I could also do the same thing actually to go to my root directory. I could do cd / and now if I type pwd, I'm in / and you can also see the prompt changed. And if I want to go back to my desktop, let's say, I could do cd /users / and I'm going to show you, you can use tab to autocomplete. So if you don't want to type the whole thing, /desktop. And now I type pwd and I'm on /users /cultsteel /desktop. So that's using cd, change directory, absolutely. But we have another option, which is to use it relatively. So this is what I end up doing most of the time. It allows you to change directories based off of where you currently are. So there's a special alias, .. and that stands for the parent directory, or one directory back, one level up from where you are. So for example, if I am currently in the stuff directory, and I type pwd, I see /users /cult /stuff. And if I wanted to change back one level to the home directory to cult, I can just do cd space .. And that's the equivalent of saying, take me back one level. And in this case, it's the equivalent of, if I did it absolutely, it would be cd /users /cult. But .. is so much shorter. So now if I type pwd, I see I'm in /users /cult. So let's do a quick demo of that. First, I'm going to show you there's a clear command. This is not functionally, it doesn't do anything, it's not important, but I use it a lot just to clear my terminal in these videos. So I'm currently on the desktop. Let me make a new window. And by default, I'm in the home directory. So if I type pwd, I get /users /cult. So if I wanted to navigate to the users directory, I could do it absolutely, of course, cd /users, or I could make use of .. because that is the parent of where I am. And if I do that, and I type pwd now, I'm now inside of /users. So right now, we're only seeing how to navigate backwards using .. but we'll see in a bit how we can also navigate down into subdirectories. Unfortunately, right now, we don't have a way of seeing what's in this users directory, so we don't know what folders we can change into. But again, just to quickly wrap this up, if I go back, so let's navigate to my home directory again, which is, I could do cd /users /cultsteel. And if I type pwd, you can see /users /cultsteel. And to wrap this up, I'll just show that you can use .. more than once. So if I wanted to go to my root directory, I could just do cd /, that would actually be shorter. But I could also do cd .. that will take me to users, as you can see there. And then I can do cd .. one more time, and that takes me to the root directory. So in this video, we saw two different ways of using cd. You can use the entire absolute path, or you can navigate relatively using things like .. Now in the next video, we're we're going to continue working with cd, but I'm going to introduce a new command, ls, that allows us to look around to see what files are in a given directory.